everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today, in the Market Watch, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Solana and how they're kind of bracing for a really quiet Q3. What I think all of us crypto traders need to know. Make sure you guys subscribe so you never miss any crypto updates. Let's get into it today. As summer unfolds, everybody, the cryptocurrency market is showing a little bit of an uptrend momentum. Don't forget, stay till the end. We'll do some TA on it. But today, we're going to dive into the recent projections from a crypto analyst that I really do value named Ansem. He kind of shared his insight on Bitcoin and Solana and how that could actually shape some of you guys' investment strategy in the upcoming months. Let's break this bad boy down. Now, Ansem has recently projected a steady course for Bitcoin and Solana. Now, that's grounded in a detailed analysis that he shared on Elon Musk's social platform X. He highlighted some potential trends and key scenarios that really could influence these major cryptocurrencies' performance. Now, according to Ansem, we might not see bullish strides for Bitcoin and Solana before the late third or fourth quarter of this year. However, they have maintained stability above the March lows. Now, this suggests a period of consolidation, and this might be underway. I love consolidations, and I love these periods because I've got the chance to kind of stack up and convert some of my meme tokens. This is my chance to basically hold up and be ready for the next bull run. I'm never going to miss another bull run, and either should you, right? Now, while Bitcoin and Solana might have been in the consolidation phase, the broader altcoin market will always show varied trajectories. That's why I also love crypto. Now, in Ansem's analysis, he points to a critical period of sideways movement that could set the stage for future price action. Let's take a deep dive into his technical analysis and then we'll do ours, right? Ansem lays out these three potential scenarios: Bitcoin and Solana as outliers. Bitcoin and Solana might continue to hold their current low levels of consolidation. Now, with Bitcoin staying between 58K and 60K in his wording, and Solana staying between $110 and $120. Now, in this scenario, other altcoins might bottom out after some sideways action. And I do see why he says that, specifically because in the market like this, if an altcoin doesn't have much utility or a reason to use it, it has a chance to bottom out. Where like Solana's got an entire blockchain behind it, same like, oh, they all do, my bad, stupid wording. It has an entire meme token community building on it, using it, same with BNB, same with Ethereum, Polygon, and so forth. His second idea is this general market downtrend. Now, BT and Solana are not the outliers. They might catch up with the downside experienced by the broader market. Now, this potentially could push Bitcoin down to 48 to the 52K levels, and Solana between the 85 and the 100K level. And then lastly, his last idea is his total market peak. And his logic there is he's considering it to be highly unlikely that the entire market has peaked. It could have, but this suggestion suggests basically an extended period of sideward movement as more of a plausible outcome. Meanwhile, ongoing inflows into Bitcoin and Ethereum may continue to buy out the market. Right, so these are all different ways to traject the idea. Remember, you should have your own strategy, but then look at my TA. Start trying to do your own TA. Definitely try to learn from all this experience so you don't miss out on any gains. I missed the 2019 bull run, and I told myself I would never miss another one again. And to this day, I always say I will never miss them. I didn't miss the 2021 one. I technically didn't miss the 22, 23 one. Not trying to miss anymore, and you should think the same way. So now in our T8, we're always going to check the dailies, right? We're going to check the daily and see what we're looking at. What happened yesterday? And as we can see here, it did not hit the top of the line that we had a couple of days ago drawn, but it is still in this area of about a 5% movement up and or down. If we go to the 30-minute, 45-minute, we can see what's occurred today. And we've got a bearish signal from the indicator. Don't forget, my indicator link is below. It's an affiliate link. You don't even have to use the affiliate link, but you should definitely use an indicator like this. It definitely helps me when I'm making my trading decisions. Now, as we're looking through this, we can see that yesterday it broke out of that channel that we had listed out, and it continued to move throughout it, right? And then it shot up. We had not a very, very big movement up, but about a 2.5%. And then it had a correction. Here's the thing. This was a long-lasting point that we had. So that will always be a support and a resistance. Any of these long points that I've got drawn out, they've had so many touches. And the level of dotted line is how many touches it's had and how long that position has been for this crypto. So as we can kind of see here, we're following this channel and we're looking to see if it keeps this support. If it does, we're coming back to this channel and we either break in the channel and come back to 62K, or it stabilizes here, because it kind of did here. If you think about it, we've got 1, 2, 3, and a 4th touch. So there's a lot of points here, and the RSI is signifying an uptrend capability. On top of that, we just had the market open in the USA, and we did take a negative in that market open, but that doesn't always mean it's going to end up that way for the rest of the days. We can see here yesterday, it was a market downtrend, but then in the market ending, it did bring it back up, and it started creating a new channel. The new channel that broke out wasn't very strong, so there wasn't going to be many small trades available to it. It would have kind of been a little bit of a luck play, and I'm not a big fan of these luck plays, but after that breakdown, we're waiting to see if we see some sort of support occur here. My advice, see if there's a couple of wicks that happen. If there's a lot of wicks being created, that shows that a lot of bullish pressure is back to defend that price. And don't forget, you guys, this is the first time in the crypto market we've had so many ETFs enter the market. There are the older generation who don't always use crypto directly like you and I do, but now they're getting into that market using these ETFs, thanks to these big players and the ETF approval, right? So it's just something to think about when you're kind of trading for the day and what you're looking at for the market. I hope this video helped you guys. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of these TAs, any of the fundamental news, and I'll get some more videos out for you too. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.